guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna show you guys a recipe on how to cook a tilapia fish. So we are gonna use some Hungarian paprika, some Italian volcano lemon juice, 100% organic. Then we're gonna use some garlic powder, and then we're gonna use some low sodium soy sauce. And then put it all in a bowl. Forgot about the 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. The concoction all over your tilapia, and then you put it on the frying pan. And after that, we are at the first batch right here. We gotta try the taste test. The taste test is the most important test. So, cheers.
Outside?
That's good. It's not bad. Not.
Chewy.
Really taste that
He's really
salt.
wanting some fish.
Chewy wants the fish.
Yeah.
Taste test, Mom?
Delicious.
Yes, it's very good.
Great recipe.
Mhm. Oh, no.
Oh, there goes Lola.
Lola has the fish.
He's like, what about me?
Yeah.
No fair.
Well, it is Lent. We're giving up meat, so you've got to have fish. Got to have your backup plan. Well, that will be all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.